Hi guys, so in this section we will learn about text area. Text area is nothing but a paragraph where you can enter a lot of text like a comment section or something you will see in website where you want to provide a comment and feedback. They have big text area where you can write your things. Okay, so to define this you just put text area is a text and the row and column is the size of the text area. Okay, and this comment just I want to just give one heading to the text area, so this is there. And this, and last time we use input box as a text, now we are using input box as a submit, is like a submit button. Okay, so type is submit, so it will be a button and value is nothing but name appear on the button. Okay, so that way we can define the text. So this input type we use like this input only, input type input only will be used for radio checkbox and everything we will see in different section. Okay, so let's see this how it will work. So we go here and form2.html or file name, you click, this is our text area, you can type anything and then you can click submit button. Okay, so that way it will happen. I get to refresh again, you can type something. So this is the text area. Thank you.